Intelligent ventilation is designed to control the humidity levels throughout the day. Starting in the night, it will elevate the window position to make sure there is a good humidity control. Whenever humidity is too high, irrespective if you're having one or more screens, lights are on or off, or heating is involved, the algorithm will control the vent position during nighttime. Transitioning into the daytime, it will make sure that when there's sudden changes in outside conditions, for example, a sunburst, it proactively controls the ventilation to make sure there's no climate shocks in your greenhouse, making sure that the plants have a smooth transitioning in terms of transpiration towards the daytime. If there would be, in the end of the afternoon, a shortage of humidity causing potentially stomata to close because of water stress, the algorithm will try to squeeze the vents until a certain maximum temperature threshold, making sure that on average you have a lower vent position, higher ambient CO2 in the greenhouse, and a higher light use efficiency.